Hello everyone, here is another recipe that I would like to share with you guys. I have ground beef, garlic, onions, some green onions and salt, black pepper and all the spices that I love. I added in this recipe and give it a good mix. You can form any shape you like, and then I have olive oil, just fried on the olive oil. Yeah, it's ready now. Looks delicious. Actually, it tasted delicious. I already ate it. Yeah, so here I have pita bread with salad and white sauce, and it's ready to serve. I hope you guys like and enjoy watching this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. By the way, this white sauce is yogurt mixed with cilantro. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will be happy to have you. You can give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. It tastes delicious and it's super easy to make it at home. Now all you have to do is just enjoy. The red chili on it, it's optional. If you like spicy, you can add it on top. I love spicy food. So let me know in the comment if you guys like this video, and yeah, I'll see you soon with the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.